Well, what's up to all my chicken grease junkies out there in YouTube land? This is Fast Jimmy 71 coming at you from the Chicken Grease Garage. For the third time, I try to do this video. I don't know if it's because my phone is got no more storage or YouTube is screwing with me. Don't know, but every time I try to do this video, it cuts it off at 1:30. So let's see how long this one takes. Well, to get into this kit, this was a kit that I had, was supposed to finish a while back, but I put it to the side because it's a big piece of crap. This kit was, I didn't like it. I paid $30 for this kit, which was not worth it. This is a 57 Chevy Pepper Shaker made by AMT. It's a piece of crap kit. It just goes together very horribly. There's other people on here that say, yeah, this kit is awesome. It goes together very nice. No, well, but not for me. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna keep it real with you. It's a big piece of junk. So if you got this kit in your arsenal of kits in your stash, hope you have good luck with it, because this one did not come out great for me. Well, let me show you what I came up with. I put together a 57 Chevy Gasser. This was a quick build. Just wanted to get it out of my hair. Didn't care for it. I made the stacks, the injector stacks. I made that. I made that that intake for the stacks. I made that front end, high-rise front end. I made those leaf springs out of scratch, spare styrene that I had laying around. So yeah, this is what I came up with. Let me pick it up. Kind of like dulled it out with, dirtied it up with some black wash, and I just dirtied up the quarter panels, dirtied up that kind of like through some whatever. It is what it is. I wasn't gonna waste any bare metal foil on this kit, only on the sides, but I did the rest by hand, and yeah, my hand is not steady anymore as it was before. A lot of mistakes. Not happy with it, but it is what it is. You younger guys, when you get to my age, you'll know that you won't have that steady hand anymore. And yes, that's Leilani in the background playing on her Xbox with her cousin. She plays online. So yeah, this is what I came up with. It is what it is. He's all around. I'm not happy with this car at all. At all. I'm not happy with it. But I put it together. So you guys let me know what you think. Be straight up with me. You're not gonna hurt my feelings. You're not gonna hurt my feelings. Trust me. It's a horrible kit, and it is what it is. So well, that's it. That's all I'm going to tell you about this kit. I might be doing another video, maybe within the next couple of days, on my next project. But till then, my brothers, this is Fast Jimmy 71 saying peace. And you know it, chicken grease. Laters.